Hi, we are from Rusik and today we are going to show you how to make fried meal easy and quickly. This is a good dish to eat as a snack because it is simple and delicious. Before we can start cooking, we will need to know the ingredients first. The ingredients are quite easy to get at your nearest supermarket. You will need 5 eggs, 50 grams of cornstarch flour, 100 grams of sugar, 200 grams of breadcrumbs, 500 milliliters of milk.
Firstly, you need to have 2 eggs mashed and only use the yolks of these eggs. Pour 50 grams of cornstarch and 100 grams of sugar into the bowl. Stir the mixture until it is well mixed and turn into a light yellow color. Secondly, pour 2 bags of milk into the mixture. Stir it in a pot until the mixture dissolves. After that, pour the mixture into a pot, then heat it up at medium heat or 800 degrees Celsius while stirring it until it becomes dense. Next, pour the dense mixture in a plastic box, then flattening it. Put it in the fridge and wait for 1 hour.
Take the mixture out and as you can see, it has hardened so we can easily chop them into pieces. Next, smash the 3 remaining eggs. You will use 3 egg yolks and 1 egg white. Mix them together and whisk carefully. You will also need to mince the breadcrumbs as we have already done. Now, chop the frozen mixture into small pieces. Next, dip them into the egg mixture and roll them in the minced breadcrumbs until every side is covered. Repeat this process 2 times with every piece. Finally, deep fry the pieces until they turn gold. After that, serve them on a plate and enjoy. As you can see, they have a golden color. We may have messed up at the end a bit so they don't look as well as they could be. Now we're going to eat them.
It smells really good. Let's dig in. Sure, mate.
It's quite juicy and crunchy, and it's soft inside too.
Though it doesn't look very good, it certainly does taste very good. Yeah.
Fried milk is a delicious snack that everybody can make. It is one of the favorite dishes of many people.
Mày nhìn vào ống kính này thôi chứ mày đừng có nhìn vào cái đấy.
Wanna do this again? I can't describe it. Wanna do this again?
No.
Why not? Because you have to wash the dishes, bro.
Yes.
Well, that's your problem.
Poor guy. Nhưng bọn này đến để giúp đấy.
Nah. Nothing.
Cũng đầy đủ rồi đúng không?